Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the 4th of June and today is the Sensex Expiry. So Sensex has gapped down and is now consolidating, has moved up and is now consolidating in the upper range. This has been the trend for the past few days. Big gap down, not like this, but big gap down and it is getting bought into. And main action begins around 12:30, where either FIA comes and sells or the DIA props up the market. So the straddle is trading currently at 420. It was a good, it actually opened at 488, which is actually good. Let's see. And nothing much to talk about the major components. Everything is here and there. So Sensex has now, obviously, put rating is there. 74,000 is strong. 73,500 as well as 73,800 is seeing some writing. As of now, we don't have any position. We'll just see the market and take the position. So I saw an interesting post regarding the IV cool-off, which actually is true. There is not much of an IV decay, IV collapse in the first few hours. It's just whipping off. We have seen that in the past, just moving up, down, and up, down, up, down, and up, down without much decay. So we'll just play safe today, especially Sensex. We have had a bad experience with Sensex the last time. So gonna take it very lightly. We'll update you when we have the first position. The time is 9:42. The time is 10 o'clock. We have just ended at 73,600 put option sold. Our 15-minute candles are showing some bullishness. It's hovering around yesterday's high or swing high, you can say. Let's see if this breaks, we can add on to the position. Otherwise, we have a preset stop loss in our mind for this small position. We'll exit at that. Nifty IT after a gap down is moving up. Goes for HDFC Bank also, and ICICI banks are strong today, as well as Kotak. Interestingly, Sensex straddle is holding its price around 430. Usually we don't see it. Usually we see sub 400 by 10 o'clock, but this is holding. Maybe that IV cool-off I was talking about is incoming. This we can add to our position. Now we have maxed up. The time is 10:03. I'll catch you at the next update. The time is 10:37. So we have seen a whip-like move from here, almost at the day's high, as well as yesterday's high. The market reversed. So we initially sold some calls to adjust it, but had to finally take a exit. So we'll reevaluate. This is my first exit level, minus 5,000. Should have been at minus 5,000. We overshoot by minus 1,000 rupees. That's okay. We'll reevaluate for another entry. So that's why I told in the beginning itself, today it's going to be a risk off approach, because these such erratic movements are now a new normal in the market. So yeah, the time is 10:38. Nifty Nifty IT was dragging it down as well as Reliance. Will update you when I get a re-entry. The time is 10:38. Obviously, after I'm down move, trapping all the call sellers, put sellers, it is again moving up. So we have shifted our position to 73,800 put option. We'll see, we'll manage this. The time is 10:46. So that also didn't work out. We took an exit there. Now we'll properly evaluate and take a re-entry if required. So Sensex has started its show of being a wild animal. It is a wild animal. Straddle has decayed, is starting to decay, but the IV spikes are brutal on both sides. So we won't be rushing in to take a position now. I'll update you when a position is taken. The time is 10:53. So I know I haven't given any update after a stop loss of 5,000 or something. As you all might know, this is such a treacherous market to trade in. I'll show you the 3-minute candle. Man, 1, 2, I don't know which pattern is this. Absolutely don't know. So I had to do multiple adjustment. Didn't have the time to record as well. See the P&L overview. Only in the initial 1 hour only, we were in a slight profit. Then dipped, took a break, again dipped. Again it was hovering around -10. Again took a break at -15. I don't know. These are really untradeable market. So I've already punched 90 plus order. So more or less it would be a break-even day today. Absolutely, I don't know why so much news flow during expiry. There should be someone who is benefiting from this news flow. It's high time that SEBI do something rather than punishing the small retailers like us. I was at 74,300 put. It spiked all the way to 50. Now it's most probably going to zero. That's the market we are in now. So it was a close call. Was happy that I could come up with profit. So I hope you didn't have a bad day as me. So I'll catch you at the next Nifty expiry. Thank you.